This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: always replace the strut assemblies in pairs. Never replace just one strut assembly on one side of the vehicle. This could cause dangerous handling peculiarities. Block the wheels at the opposite end. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Detach the wheel speed sensor wiring harness from the strut if the vehicle is equipped with anti-lock brakes. Remove the clip retaining the brake hose to the strut and detach the hose from the bracket. Disconnect the stabilizer bar link from the strut. Position a jack under the steering knuckle, with the head of the jack making contact with the lower ball joint, not the brake disc. Raise the jack slightly. This will prevent the steering knuckle from falling too far outward and damaging the connected hoses. Remove the strut to knuckle nuts. Do not turn the bolts. Remove the strut to knuckle bolts, using a hammer to knock them out if needed. Separate the strut from the steering knuckle. Be careful not to overextend the drive axle CV joints, and don't let the steering knuckle fall outward, which could cause damage to the brake hose or ABS speed sensor wiring. Pry off the rubber cover from the cowl panel. Mark the relationship of the strut tower to the body to aid in installation. Support the strut and spring assembly with one hand and remove the 3 strut upper mounting bolts. Warning: don't unscrew the piston rod nut, the nut in the center of the strut tower. Remove the strut assembly from the fender well. Guide the strut assembly up into the fender well, aligning the marks drawn previously if reinstalling the old strut, then install the upper mounting bolts. This is most easily accomplished with the help of an assistant, as the strut is quite heavy and awkward. Tighten the strut upper mounting bolts to 17 foot-pounds on 2007 models, 21 foot-pounds on 2008 through 2011 models, and 33 foot-pounds on 2012 and later models. Insert the rubber cover onto the cowl panel. Slide the steering knuckle into the strut flange and insert the bolts. Then screw on the nuts. Position the brake hose back in place on its bracket. Then slide in the metal clip. Connect the stabilizer bar link back onto the strut and screw on the nut. Secure the brake hose clip onto the bracket using a pair of channel locking pliers. Remove the jack from the lower control arm ball joint. Tighten the strut to knuckle nuts while preventing the bolts from turning to 129 foot-pounds. Tighten the stabilizer link nut to 27 foot-pounds. Prevent the ball joint from turning using another wrench. Install the wheel speed sensor wiring harness to the strut if the vehicle is equipped with anti-lock brakes. Install the wheels and lug nuts, then safely lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. Have the front end alignment checked, and if necessary, adjusted.